Good afternoon. Today I'm going to do exercise 3, number 1. It's a proving of parallelogram. I don't have a whiteboard behind me, so I'm just going to show you on the paper. Exercise number 1. I'm going to hold it up a bit so that you must pause the video and then copy it down on your own paper. I don't have a chalkboard, so just pause the YouTube video and then copy it down. Parallelogram ABCD and ABDE are given with DF equal to DB. Prove that BCFE is a parallelogram. Just going to hold it a couple of seconds. It's number 1. So what are they telling you? They're telling you that ABCD, 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 and it's a parallelogram, and also that ABDE. So it's ABCD and ABDE. Both of them are parallelograms, and then I tell you that DF is equal to DB, is equal to DB. DF is equal to DB. So what do they want? They want you to prove that BCFE is in fact a parallelogram. BCFE is a parallelogram. The first proof that you can give, you can say AD is equal to BC because ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite sides are equal. So in other words, AD is equal to BC, AD is equal to BC because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. ABCD is a parallelogram, that's given to you. So opposite sides are equal length. That's one of the theorems that you have to know. Then I tell you, then the next proof that you can give, BD is equal to AE, because ABD is a parallelogram, it's given to you. Opposite sides are also equal. So you're saying BD is equal to AE because ABD is a parallelogram and opposite sides are equal. So AE is equal to BD. AE is equal to BD. Then a third proof that you can give, corner DBC is equal to corner ADB because AD is parallel to BC, and you know that alternative angles are equal. So they're telling you I'm telling you DBC is equal to ADB. Alternative angles are equal because AD is parallel to BC, because it's a parallelogram. So AD is parallel to BC. Alternative angles are equal. So in other words, this ADB will be equal to DBC. Then naturally you can also say that EAC will be equal to ADB because AEDB is also a parallelogram. Alternative sides are equal. Write it down for EAD is equal to ADB. Alternative angles are equal because AE is parallel to BD. the next proof that you can give, that means that EAD is equal to DBC. EAD is equal to DBC. Because this one is equal to this one, which means that this one will be equal to this one, which means that EAD is equal to DBC. That means that corner DBC is congruent to corner triangle EAD, side, angle, side. That's the proof. Side, angle, side. Where my finger is. Triangle DBC is congruent to triangle EAD, side, angle, side. Now I can also say ED is equal to DC. Because the triangles are congruent, you say ED is equal to DC. Because triangle DBC is congruent to triangle EAD, that follows that ED is equal to DC. ED is equal to DC. How do I know that? Because if triangle DBC is congruent to triangle EAD, then it must be that ED is equal to DC. Now you've got your proof. You can say that BCFE is a parallelogram. I've proven it. Why? Because the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. ED is equal to DC and BD is equal to DF, which I've already proven here above. Can I say it again? I say BCFE is a parallelogram because the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. ED is equal to DC, I've proven that. ED is equal to DC, I've proven that. And I gave you that BD is equal to DF. They already gave it to you. You don't have to prove it. So the diagonals, in other words, the line from one corner to the opposite corner and the line from the other corner to the opposite corner are equal. That's one of the proofs. That's one of the theorems. Which means that BCFE is a parallelogram. How do I know that? Because the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. ED is equal to DC and BD is equal to DF. There you've got your proof. That's it for today. Tomorrow, or the next lesson at least, I will show you that we will do number 2. ABCD is a parallelogram. They give it to you. DM is equal to BP and DC is equal to PN. Prove that APM is a parallelogram. And number B, PN is equal to MC. I'm not going to do that today. It's number 2. I'll do that in the next lesson. I'm just going to repeat what I said earlier. I don't have a white chalkboard, so I'm using the papers. I hope it helps. Thank you.